Good morning and welcome to the guest bedroom. So today I have two very important jobs to do. Job number one is I've got to go and get a car seat installed in our car, which is very surreal, but I am a little bit over 34 weeks pregnant. So here's this big belly. We need to get something sorted to take this baby home in. The other thing is while we were in the South Coast, our brand new GoPro Hero 11 got delivered to Mum's house. So this here is the 7, which we've had for ages, and it is going to be a really big upgrade. So I can't wait to share with you unboxing and our first impressions. There it is, soon to be installed and soon to have a baby in it. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. So I'm back home, car seats installed, and I have got the precious goods. And there really only seemed one place fitting to put such a new precious toy. Doesn't get much safer than that. Why does it feel like it's my birthday or something? I am so excited. So we actually bought this on sale. So it was probably just after Christmas, like the Boxing Day sales. We had about $750 worth of vouchers from our work. And so we decided that it was finally time to upgrade our camera. We certainly didn't get it for free with, just over 900 subscribers. So please like and subscribe so maybe we can get some free stuff eventually. But yeah, it's just something we've been looking at for ages. We use our GoPro Hero 7 like it is going out of fashion. And yeah, we just wanted to make some more high quality videos coming into 2023. And also with the little one on the way, it'll just be nice to have beautiful clear footage from the day they're born. Let's get into it. So we ended up buying for about $760 the GoPro Creator Pack. So I'll take you through what that is. And they've also thrown in a little 32 gigabyte SD card. So that's always handy. Got our little GoPro branding here. All right. Here it is. So this is the Creator Edition. So as you can see, it comes with a few little bonus extras here. So we've got the media mod, like microphone, the light, the GoPro itself, and the Volta hand grip. Okay, first thing, I did not realize it all came in this case. How good's this? So it comes in this like handy hard-shelled case. That's awesome. All right, so it looks like a bunch of instructions and things. Instructions, meh, don't need those. So, we have got our little hand grip here. So I believe that kind of plugs into the camera and it also charges up. It's like a little tripod as well. So that is really, really cool. This is the light. So that's going to help when we're camping, like a bit of nighttime footage. It's always really dark on the GoPro, so that will be really great. A battery. I'm not sure if it's a spare battery or just the battery that goes in the camera, but this is the new generation of batteries. So if you've had a GoPro before, they used to be kind of blue. So I think they've made some improvements on the battery in this one. but again, we'll see. This is our little media housing. So yeah, no more wind noise on those hikes for you guys. I know how absolutely annoying the wind noise is. Trust me, it's even annoying to edit. And the pièce de résistance, our camera. First things first, I actually think it feels maybe a little bit heavier than the 7. I'm not sure, but it just feels heavier in my hands. Oh, okay, and then here we've got even more stuff. So, like a little mount. We have got more mounts. Ooh. More little mounts and things. Oh, this is our little wind muffler thing that we can put on. The little nuts to tighten. Some charging cables. Oh my gosh, there's so much to play with. So here's it all tucked in its little case, which is so handy. I mean, we have been looking for something to keep our camera in. So like this is going to be so great for just traveling and having in the car so that the kind of precious camera stuff doesn't really get squashed or anything like that. Okay, so a big difference is how it opens compared to the old GoPro. So it took me a second to even figure it out, but you have to like pull, wait, how am I gonna do this? All right, I have 2 hands now. So you have to pull this little latch here and like give it some force, and then it pops open like that. And so I can confirm the battery that comes in the creator pack isn't a spare battery, it's just the battery that goes in the camera. Another really cool thing that you'll notice straight off the bat is that you've got this color screen at the front. So when you're filming in selfie mode, you can see me moving my old GoPro here. That is going to help so much with making sure that you're framing everything up nice and square when you're filming. Another thing that I like is that on the old GoPro it was completely flat on the bottom and you had to put it in a housing to connect it to any sort of hand grips or mounts, but this time it's actually part of the GoPro, so that's really, really handy. Wow, so this is the camera set up in its creator pack kind of setting. So we've got the microphone, the light, which has a few different kind of settings as well. And it's a rechargeable light, not a battery light, which is really cool. This kind of all plugs in together as well. So you've got to take the little flap off the battery, slide it into this little housing here. The hand grip plugs into the camera, the light slides in, and that kind of just pops on. And then, yeah, you can use that just as like a little selfie stick. You can use it as a tripod. I don't think I can do this one-handed. There you go. So like it's got its little tripod legs there. And there's some controls on the back here as well. Looks pretty snazzy. Got Nick testing out the new GoPro.
I'm just trying to turn it on. And we're on. We are videoing.
Yay!
You were the first video.
Oh, amazing. I'm so privileged.
The video quality on the back of this is so much better already.
I can even see it on the front, it looks so clear. So here we go, side by side.
Which one do I look better in?
Both. You look amazing on both. So here we go, side by side.
Which one do I look better in?
Both. You look amazing on both. Wait, so this, I feel like that should keep the video up, right? And then here's the old camera. Okay, then here's the old camera. Okay.
Alright. We have not been to Summersby Falls for years. I think it's been like 3 or 4 years since we're here.
I forget what it's like.
There's really cool caves down there. So you can sort of climb under when the waterfall's pumping.
You can walk behind.
You can stand behind them.
Alright, so now I'm going to test how steady it is trudging downstairs. So I'm walking super rough right now. I'm probably gonna go into labour.
How many weeks pregnant?
Nearly 35.
Running.
It's like real-time novice. We haven't looked anything up.
Something, you can obviously cook something there too. Maybe a second one.
Carabiner? I don't know. I feel like you can already tell the footage on that is so much better. And probably the sound. I wish it was windy. Alright, so here we have both GoPros, the 7 and the 11, and I want to see what the sound quality is like. So I've got a waterfall in the background. Let's see. Alright, so here we have both GoPros, the 7 and the 11, and I want to see what the sound quality is like. So I've got a waterfall in the background. Let's see.
Alright, sound check. This should be a good test of how the sound works with a pretty nice waterfall in the background. There it is. Testing, 1 2 1 2 testing. All right, sound check. This should be a good test of how the sound works with a pretty nice waterfall in the background. There it is. Testing, 1 2 1 2 testing.
Final test is to see when we're filming in the car, when you know you get somewhere and you're way too awkward to film outside of the car because it's really busy. I find that you hear just a lot of whooshing noise from the car. So let's see if filming on the GoPro Hero 11 with the medium mod is any clearer than the 7. So let's see if filming on the GoPro Hero 11 with the medium mod is any clearer than the 7. We're on the lookout for some rock art. So we're in the Central Coast. We've stumbled across this Aboriginal area. Apparently there's some rock art here. If you can hear me over the cicadas. Let's see.
Let's see if we can find some. Oh, look at this.
Oh wow.
Kangaroo or something.
Oh, it's huge.
It's a big kangaroo.
Oh wow. That is awesome.
Yeah.
That's a cool one.
That's pretty cool. There's another one down here, another biami. With a boomerang. Oh, there's heaps of them. There's a fish.
These sites are so
Wow.
amazing.
And they're in such good condition. You know why? Because they're hard to come across. Biami with a spear. With a boomerang, not a spear. Fish. Wow, some of these are incredible. Wow, this is a big one with a big headpiece.
Whoa, what is this? I haven't seen one like this.
No, he's got a massive headdress on. Another kangaroo. Another person next to it.
This is one of the best rock art sites I've seen.
Kangaroo. Another person up there. Little fish. Little fish or something. Here's a pretty old kangaroo with a, looks like another eel or something on top of it.
Yeah.
Wow, there are so many.
Wow.
Another kangaroo. Another fish over there. Another couple of fish. Yeah. Right, they are coming up so clear. Little fish. Another kangaroo.
So much history in this one rock shelf.
There's something down here, another kangaroo. I think we didn't see this one. Definitely got to be mindful of where you step. They're already under a fair bit of pressure, just with erosion and things like that. That is awesome. How cool is that?
I love Aboriginal rock art. Like,
Definitely.
it's so precious.
Definitely worth a little walk in.
I've never.
That is really big.
I've never seen one like it though.
Like, look at the head, like the headpiece.
I have never seen anything like it.
It's just ginormous. So cool.
Yeah, this is a cracking spot. Good find, Nick. Yeah, as we said, always watch where you're walking. These are everywhere, and so you don't want to be stepping on top of them and making them erode any faster, because they're just precious bits of our history. So you have to really respect them when you find them. Oh, maybe that's like a little claw or something.
Maybe. Man, there's heaps. This is probably the most I think we've ever seen.
And they're so clear that no one's ruined them.
And it's so off the beaten path. So
I don't think we're going to tell you where it is.
you got to just do your research. It's on the Central Coast. Come find it.